Black Ops 3 Zombies Shadows of Evil Easter egg. You're not playing with me. I'm not allowing it. I was just gonna do it by myself. No! Not true. Untrue. Little monkey bitch. Shut the fuck up. Perkaholic! I need me some of that. Where's my lovely viewers at, dog? Alright guys, let's get going. Lorenzo, no! I literally just started a game, Shadows of Evil, you fuck. Alright, we're gonna take... Shut the fuck up. My god. Starting game. 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 This is the worst part of this game! Why do they make us watch them have sex? I don't like that a lot anymore. You know, what if my mom comes in my room? Dog, what the fuck is she doing? Hey, don't touch him like that! Dude! Get off of him! You know that's not safe! No! Why is he getting arrested? What did he do? What? What is... Stupid. You know you're not supposed to use those scissors like that. Those are for arts and crafts. Stupid bitch. I hate you, Lorenzo H. Boy.
You fucking talking to me?
Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Hold on. Fuck you. Say hi, chat. Say hi, chat. Fuck you. Say hi, chat. So today I'm speedrunning Black Ops 3 multiplayer zombie aerobic capacity. Oh, what the fuck did I do? I ain't even opened the door, bruh! I hate my life. Ah, what the fuck, dog? Message from Xbox! Do not tell me I just got com banned! Oh. Well, shit! Dog, what the fuck? No, I didn't. I didn't get com banned. I'm on the Twitch app. Call of Duty.
That shit is crazy.
So, step 1 is fuck up the first part, and then grab a gobble gummer.
Almost there.
Then you get anywhere but here. Which is literally stupid and dumb. Dumb and stupid. Fuck you. Who the fuck invited you? Oh yeah, by the way, does the game look smoother, like, than my other videos? Like...
Thank heavens for that, I was getting low.
Ah, shit! Didn't mean to kill him, guys.
Are you shitting me? You think this is the key to the city?
Are you shitting me? So you do this, and then you shoot him, her, they, slash... No, stop touching me! Gulp. Bruh, hi chat. Didn't this happen last time? Hi chat. You guys want me to mute myself? Do you guys want me to mute myself? Yeah, I'm on live. You should go watch it. I'm actually gonna mute myself because I don't want to be annoying. Only then can we prevent the destruction of your life. Excuse me. Bro, RX! I used to wake up at my house in the day. Excuse me. I heard there was a speedrunning strat where you could literally just, well, fuck. I guess I don't know it! No, fuck, bitch! I survived 100 rounds! Oh my god! Goblin. I think I got a message. I've been running in Chattanooga. Alright guys, so today we're doing the Shadows of Evil Easter eggs. Shut the f— We're doing the Shadows of Eagle. I'm dead in this, John. We have to watch this shit again. Why is she getting on top of him? I don't know. I'm never gonna know why she's doing that. Jeez. And why does he get arrested? I don't know. This guy just got arrested by this girl. I think she's a cop. Shit!
You are cursed. You must place your hand upon.
Hey everyone, go watch my stream. Run that shit up. For real. Run that shit up, for real. Dog, my mom's calling. Okay, so, hi guys. Hello guys. New run, new Easter egg thing. Y'all go run my stream up, please. If you're watching this, share it everywhere now. Let's get to 100k likes on this video today. And I mean today. So what I'm doing right now, I am eating worms and feasting on the intestines of a cow. That's how you do the first step of the Easter egg. It's really simple. So if you don't know how to do it, fuck you, honestly. You're just stupid if you don't. So what you do here is pick up this fountain pen. I mean fucking lawyer's pen. Spin the gobblegum. You have to do this in the exact steps that I did. You get anywhere but here. See, this is a guaranteed thing. Because I got it last game. I mean, there was no last game. I'm just talking about the game that I played about a couple of days ago. Wanna tussle? Why am I playing as the stupid bitch? Jeez, Buster. Fuck you. Where's that other zombie at? Alright, I think this is the last little... Wee peep. So right here is where all of these weird lady people, witch people spawn, and they want to take your life. All you gotta do is say, suck on my dick. Caught me off guard there. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Fuck you! You're supposed to take it to the sacred place. Only then you'll have the... Yeah, shut up. Shut the fuck up. I don't want to hear you talk, bro. Stop talking about your worms, bro. Go away. So there is a faster speedrun strat here, but we're not gonna try that today. I heard there was a speedrunning strat where you could literally just, well, fuck. I guess I don't know it! We're just trying to go for casual... Well, shit. I think I might have fucked it up. Ooh, I did it. I get a cold shiver down my spine every time that happens. Well, put a jacket on, stupid... I have heightened senses because I'm actually blind.
Over here, this where the shooter be.
Oh, that's a really freaky looking cabinet. I don't even know if I want to go near it.
Yes, you do. You know you want to go near it. Now, to find the last fucking zombie, bruh. Hell no. Healy kickflip, nollie, oversized eggs. BDSM. Alright, chat. Tell me when the zombie's about to get me. Hello, chat. Oh, thanks, chat.
Don't get fresh with me.
They are coming. They have already corrupted this.
Wait, I'm actually fucking stupid, dude.
You are chosen.
Oh my god.
You are cursed.
This can't be happening.
I guess I can do this, right? Can't I do this right now? So now what I'm doing is chewing my own shit.
Completely out of ammo.
Fuck is this bitch on, for real? She had ammo.
Don't you dare touch me.
Well, are you happy now, bitch? Dog, I'm so sad. Alright, so once we open this door, we can continue with our journey. Dog, mall grab! Dog, bruh, dude. What the fuck is a mall grab? Stop that crazy bitch! Ah! Fuck you looking crazy for? You know what? Fuck you all. I'm ending this. Ending my life. Dude, I'm so bad! Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next.
That's it, Greg? Fuck no, bro! What the hell?